Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a little mod inside the car. As you can see, my start button is really worn. So I got some button covers that I wanted to have and ordered 3 colors that were available, and I have decided to use the red one. So today I'm gonna show you how to change out the cover. So first I'm gonna open it up and take a look at it. You can see the 4 tabs that hold it, so you know where you need to take the other one off. So first we need to pull the silver panel out. I don't have plastic tools, but I recommend them, so I'm gonna use a screwdriver and tape around it to minimize or to so I don't damage the trim. Pull it out. Just be gentle, not to break any tabs. Now you got it a little bit out. Should be able to pull it out gently with a hand. So I'm just gonna pull it this far, and then I'm going to push. There are I'm pushing with my finger. There are tabs like this on each side that I just pushed, and then I could push the button through. Then we just have the connector here, which we push these pins in on both sides and pull it out. There we go. Now we need to take off the silver trim around it, and I'm not sure if you can see, but there's tabs around like here. Then I can probably just use the screwdriver and push the button through. You want to be gentle so you don't break the surround trim, but you want to release the tabs slowly around. I have a smaller screwdriver here that I can get in between. There we go, one. And another one. And then we can get it off, as you can see. So now we have just the button here. We take a look at the new button, and we can see the 4 tabs. You can see the 4 tabs around that hold it. So now we need to pry the old button off. 1, 4 tabs, 2, 3, and it's off. So now it looks like this. Now we're gonna put the new button in, and as you can see on top here, there's a place for the tab here to go. So we just place it where the tab should go there and push it gently in. Works perfectly. So next up, we put the surround plastic back in, and there's a place for this tab here to go on top. So brush it in like this, right, nice and snug. Button still works. So now we can put it right back into its place. Start by taking the plug, and there's a place also for this guy here and here, so we can just straight put it there, and then we can just push it back into the trim and then push the trim back into place. So now you have a new start button ready to go. I got these buttons off. You can get them from eBay, Amazon, even AliExpress. They're everywhere, so just make sure they fit your car. I think these are for E90 series and also E60 and kinds like this. Then there's different buttons for the F series. Just make sure that it's the same as yours. But these should fit all the E90 series. So thanks for watching this small DIY video of changing your start button after it's been worn, or you just want another color. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.